Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Rocky Hills number 9. Number 9. All right. Today, here we are loading up. Um, as you know, we nailed that 40K mark. Um, we're just kind of letting everything fly into place. I don't know what's going on there. Uh, uh, yeah, yeah. Uh, this is the flight of the cars. It's pretty neat. You travel through midair. Okay. Is everybody done flying? Think we had a few things affecting it there. Not sure. I just restarted my computer, so maybe it's still in slow mode. I did see something that was very interesting, and I want to try it. Um, it's going to be jumpy on me. I want to try it. I want to come in here. Well, we got a lot going on right here, but I was wondering. Um, hmm, I mean, I can rock it out and hit 100K, I'm sure, with the rockets. All I do is come down here where there's a empty spot somewhere. Just shift around here. Let everything catch up. Uh, Silly updates. You have to restart your computer. I don't have it set to do automatic updates, but the power went out and it said I need to do some updates. So, in the midst of all that, I chose to do the updates. Um, I say we just make a small little path down here and let's fire up some rockets. We have unlocked red and green, so let's just assume that we can. Oh, there's a line. That's always a thing. So what I want to do, I think, is I'm going to put that little guy there. I did find out that we can connect these together with water. I think 4 will be enough. The other ones, I'll tell you. There's a line there. Oh, there's a line there. So we bring them over here and we do them like this. I think I want to build this cool factory that I saw. This might be stolen. I just let everybody know right from the get-go. Um, that is not what I wanted it to do. And there. How we doing on money? Oh, we got 14 million. If we could pop bottles, if we can pop rockets, um, I do want to put my water. Wait, I have water up here already, don't I? I don't have water for this factory? Dude, what was I thinking? Somebody made a song named that, I think. What was I thinking? Alright. There's the water to the factory. Alright. Now, I gotta figure out how to do this because if I run this here all the way to there, that's fine. But now I gotta figure out how to run this over to here. Connect that into there. And then get a little piece. May have to do some janky stuff. There it went. We got it connected? Yeah, we got it connected. Alright. Alright. So we're up out of the way there. Minecart. Actually, we're going to need... let's just do one side at a time because I'm going to confuse myself and others. So we're just going to do this. And then we're going to come over here. Do this. We're just going to let them... They're going to fill up. And that's fine. Did I... Golly. So janky. Alright. minecart track. That's not even a minecart. Y'all can tell that I'm out of practice. Alright, I could run the minecart track literally right across here. And it won't be in the way, right? And then I can catch on there and there. So, I'm thinking, because we don't need a lot for this operation, do we? Alright. Now I should be able to turn it and run it right into this factory here. And then the other way I'm going to bring that stuff out and load it onto the rockets out here with the overhead. So let's build a factory. Now in here, what I did research is I don't know how much I'm going to need. That part I really didn't study that well. Yeah, I'm going to say that's going to be enough. Now I might not have done that right. I may need to move that water pipe. Nope, I should be fine. Okay. So delete, delete, delete. Give me a door here and a door here. I can go across there. I can go across there and there. Okay. And now what I want to do, because this is going to be very interesting. I could have done this a little bit different, but I chose not to. And yes, guys, I am back to using these big honker tonkers. They interest me so much. Can't put it in the middle. I need to put it up here, but I need it to load. I can put it next to the track, and then I can put my loading on the back side, because it has to come down, go around, and go back out. Okay, that'll work. Jimmy Dean sausage. I think I just broke a copyright. It's all good. Green will be green. Gold or red will be gold. And the outside will be blue. Why did it not turn green? There we go. So we're going to put all the green grass over here, and it's going to only suck up green grass. And this one is only going to suck up red grass, right? So it's going to be raw. It's going to be green grass. This one is going to be red grass. That was easy. That's the easy part. Now I need one of these. So what I have to do here, interesting. This is going to be tough, because I'm also going to combine it in here. So I have to process it. Alright, this is not what I was trying to make. I just did the pooch. But it's okay. We'll adapt and we'll overcome. So this one can go here and that one can go there. Both of those are feeding. Perfect. Now, this guy can literally make right there, and this guy can make right here. I think I am trying to outthink myself. Okay. Then I'm going to skip 2 spots and put another one right there. And skip 2 spots. Nope, this is where my train's got to come down. So now I've got to make my conveyor. Y'all gonna think I am. And I might be. I might be overthinking this to the point of it's just not gonna work. Oh, hold on. And I know what you're all sitting there saying right now. Dude, oh, that won't work because of where I've got to shift that in. Shoot. Okay. But it will work there. I can shift it down and then it's got to come back so I can go ding, 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 ding. Man, there's a lot to think about here. We definitely want this to go down here, and we want a minecart track to pick it up, though I think we're going to have to bring it up there and then run it out that door. In this one, we're going to have to run. See, we don't really have to, but we could bring it all the way down there just so it matches. Now I have another problem because it's going to hit this pipe. So I got to bring the pipe back down onto the ground. Da 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 da. So that's okay because I guarantee you all of those are full. We can run it right across the back if we wanted to, I guess. Okay, there we go. So these all should be full. They shouldn't be harvesting anymore, yeah. Here we need a lot. I don't know. I think I did the pooch on this one, guys, but it's okay. It's not what I wanted to do. But I'm going to keep thinking this out because I could. Yeah, I know what I can do. Okay. See? I knew there was something I could do. No. Yeah. Yeah, there's. No. That won't work either. So I got to ship that out. Okay. So this plant is just going to be a simple single bingle bingle. Bingle bingle. And I actually could have run those together. No, it won't work that way. I probably should have studied this a little more, but I'll show y'all what I'm up to here. Alright, and then I bring it back here, and I can run it right there. That should be enough. I'm going to test it. I'm just going to run a tester. No, that's not going to work. Crap. Well, that's why it's an experiment, and that's why you can all tell it's not pre-planned. What am I going to do here? I got to bring it out. These two have got to combine. Okay, I'll figure it out. See, can I put a tub there? And the tub, he comes out too. Why do I feel like something is off center? Let me run my thing out here. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. This is totally experimental, and I am really not familiar with what I'm doing. But I may have a plan here. But it's going to be jacked up. Because this isn't going to work. I can already tell you this isn't going to work. And I'm only just at the beginning. Yep, it's not going to work. Crap. Okay. Let's squish that plan. I just want to run this as a combiner. I will figure out a way to make it work later. Oh, wait a minute. I don't need these to be... Okay, never mind. Crap. See, you guys, I got ahead of myself. So I'm just going to sing it out loud. I got ahead of myself. But I'm going to change it because I'm going to just put this side together first and see what happens here. Alright, we're just going to spit one out and we're going to put a crane to bring it over when we need one. And so then we're going to go in to there. Can I go in 3? Should I test it first? You guys say test it? I know you did. Okay. The whole idea here, guys, is I want to be able to... I don't know how fast the combiners are going to work, so let's put big tubs in. So we'll put one big tub there. One, nope, that is not where I wanted it. And we'll put one big tub over here. Okay, we're kind of even, we're kind of looking good. This one needs to be green again, and this one needs to be gold. Okay. Now I think I got it, maybe? Okay, I know what I'm doing. I'm doing it wrong. I should be doing 2 separate plants with each color in it. Oh, this is not what I wanted. Okay, well, here's what I'm going to do. Because of that system, I need to first, this guy is going to spit out, and then we are going to refine it, right? That's all we need to do with this guy, right? He just needs to spit out and refine. Then he needs an unload station, is that right? Unload station. No, because he has to first come out on a conveyor to unload. Unload there. So pretty much what happened is my thought in this process was pretty decent, but I went and did a couple other things before I decided to sit down and do this, and now I have totally forgot the way that I saw it accomplished. So, and why don't I have a pipe connecting water to the factory? That makes sense. All right. So right now, if I was to just put, I got to think about this because these guys need to skip, or I need to break. I'm going to break the chain right here. They don't need to come any further together than that. And then I'm going to break the chain back here. And then we can put 2 on there, 2 on there. Let's let those guys just kind of move some stuff in. It's not an amount that we need yet, but we should be okay. It's not going to work to do 2, but it's okay. It's going to get those filled up sooner than later. They're just going to run slow for right now. And when we need them, we'll step up the progress. So, if I turn this on, it's then going to make grass. Man, I was doing it right the whole time. Alright, guys. I'm going to build this thing. And you guys are going to see it done. Because this is crazy. I am losing marbles here. I really should have figured this out before I sat down so I didn't look like such a dork. But you guys forgive me. I know you will. Because you're awesome like that. And then, can I go a third? Yeah, I can go a third. Bring it down. This one is going to... Nope. It needs a curve this way. Is it going to be okay? Should be okay. This takes a little bit. I should have built this thing and then I should have come in and introduced it. Because now I feel like I just wasn't prepared for the task at hand. So you guys can laugh at me. It's fine. I can take it. I do hope I fixed the sound though. I tested it. That is not what I wanted. I wanted it over here. Okay. According to this, if I put in this here, I put in this going here, here. Somebody's catching on to what I'm up to. Oh, I have to go here, right? Yeah. And then I have to go here. And then this one, what happened there? That's not the right thing. It's okay. How am I going to fill that station? Oh, here. But then I won't be able to empty it there. Crap! I did it again. Oh well. It is what it is. I'll have to make some changes. But that's the fill. Okay, I know what I can do. Okay. Take these out. And bring it back. I have to go out one because of the amount that we're dealing with. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Give me a chance to make it work. And now we can run it up here to there. Then we need a right bend. Nope, we need a right bend. Right bend. And then we need a left bend. Okay. So here's what we have. And I'm going to run it through the motions and make sure that it works. And you're like, oh my word, what in the flip has he done? All right. I need all those to be fill tubes. I still screwed up here. I don't know how to fix that yet, except turning this sideways. I could do that. I probably made it way too close. I don't know yet. It takes some time to get it all figured out. I made it too close. It's okay. I'll suffer with it. The other side I'll do it right, I guess. Alright. So what I'm going to do here to keep this from affecting me, is I'm actually going to take this out again. I hope you guys do yours and you say, I'm not going to follow what he did because he jacked that crap up. And I'm cool with that. But the only way to figure something out is doing it yourself and determining that you screwed up and accepting that. I know, that is janky. I agree 100%. But I'll show you why it's so janky here in a minute. I need only inputs right now. So in will go here, and in will go here, and in will go here, and an in will go here, and in will go here, and I put that in the wrong place. They're all supposed to go on the top. So in, 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 and in. Okay. Now we want outs. So we got out, 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 out. If I keep putting in ins where the outs go, I'm going to freak out. Why? Why me? Why me? Okay. We're going to try this. I screwed up again. We're going to try this one more time. I'm going to put an in right here. Okay, all the ends are in place. Now I need out. There we go. Out, 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 out. Everything is going out. Everything's going in. All right. So I need green to go in. So everyone that's an in, 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 in. If you're laughing at me right now, I'm fine with it. It's cool. But this should be a mass production facility. And please go ahead and tell me. Okay. That won't work. It's all going to go to there, which is fine, except I then have to combine it. Okay. So I need to really ship it out into another facility to combine it. No, wait a minute. I can put green going into combiners right down the middle. All right. You just have to talk it out sometimes, guys. Because this should have been green. And I don't have enough underground pipes. I'm not combining it in this facility. Those days are over. I will be destroying 90% of what I just built because I am foolish. And it's cool. It's cool. It's really cool. I will figure it out with your help, of course. That looks like a good spot. That looks like a good spot. Now I need an out and an out. I definitely didn't put that center, did I? Maybe I did. I don't know. All right. So green, again, is in. Blue is out. I still can't do this side that way. Dag nabbit. All right. Well, let me see if it's going to work. Let's just see if it's going to work. If If it does, I'll figure out what to do with changing the facility. Blue, 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 blue. That one's not going to connect. Blue, blue. I'll have to move that last one up here because it won't connect. Oh yeah, well, blue. Alright, let's power up this facility and see if that side's going to work. If that side's going to work, then we'll have an idea what we can or can't do. Right here, we just have, there we go. Facility is powered up. We just made a crate, we put it on the line. I'm going to show you why I did what I did, because once it gets enough crates, it won't put any more out. It'll limit it. So it's going to go through the first one. Okay, it's taking it out, puts it in. Okay, alright, so that's working. And it's filling and it's processing. Filling, processing, filling, processing. He's going to fill back up and he's going to go into the next one. Now there's really no lag time on your crates being moved out. So this is currently working. It won't work over here. I'll have to cut this facility in half, put one green facility over here and put a red facility over here. Kind of sucks, but I wanted to test the concept and see if it was going to work. It's going to space between the boxes. I can shift this guy on to stop at any point when I feel like there's enough boxes onto the conveyor system. But right now it's kind of got them on hold. So it's a concept. It looks like it's a pretty good concept. I'm actually just going to cut off this feeder pipe. I was only going to put out a couple more. By that time it should be down there pretty fast there. It looks like it emptied that thing down pretty quick. So it's stupid that you can't cut half the facility off and build another one. That's just a dumb move on their part, that you can't cut the factory back. So should be the last one there. Just came out. And now we're on hold as those go in up there. So we should be pretty close. It's going to move them around a little bit. They're going to be a little slow. That's okay. They should catch up, spread out, I hope. It looks like it processed it so fast that the little 2 guy can't keep up. So I'm gonna have to mow this down and redo it, and it's all good. I'm not gonna be upset about that. So we got a few too many going there, but that's okay. Should have cut it off just about 2 earlier. We wouldn't have had this problem. But so the concept works, except when I don't put in pickup tubes here on the blue. Then it just keeps going. So we'll do that real fast. Oh, there's another one that didn't get a blue. I don't know how all that happened. Oh yeah, there's a lot going on there. So there you have it. There's the idea. There's the concept. It processed it so fast that this thing is full. Like, it's literally won't take any more right now. So It won't even. Nice thing is it's not throwing it away. It's going to go ahead and fill the whole thing up. And when it does empty, to go to this other side, then it will um, do that. So yes, we want to destroy it. That was a great concept. Thanks for stopping by, guys. No, I'm kidding. That wasn't the end. Just thought I'd do that to y'all real fast and see how you would react. I just want to thank everybody for stopping by, supporting my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it when you do that, but that was just it's a 2-for-1 special today. If you subscribe for free, you'll get the second subscription for free. That's right, you can bring a friend today for free. So anybody that wants to sign a friend up, it's a free subscription day. I know every day is free, but today is very special because it's free also. Just in case you're interested in that free subscription, we'll be happy to accommodate anyone that is looking for the free subscription. We're going to extend out today, actually. Today, in our free subscriptions, we're going to extend out and we're going to give everybody, an extension on that free subscription that you'll be able to renew your subscription for free the next month. So we're not going to hold anybody to to any type of payment for subscription next month. We're just going to let you have it again for free because we're cool like that. So we appreciate you, and for that, we're just gonna nail it, give it out. So now I got to build that again. Does everybody want to watch? I don't believe that 2-car is going to be able to hold up. That is a heck of a production machine. It was producing pretty good too. I will say that. So, but now I'm going to have to put my power station out here, probably about in the middle of both of them. Looks like a good spot. Now they both have power. Now we get to do it all over again. So sorry about that. Sorry y'all had to come in and get partial. I'm almost wondering. No, because it empties it so fast. It's not going to make it. So okay, this time I'll try not to make it so janky. But now we have the concept and we know what it'll do. So I think my best bet now, we're going to leave that right there. So it's going to be a straight shot. We should be able to do, I mean, I could save space and go 2, but I really liked it going 3. It's going to chew it up so fast. Remember, this is where you're going to be kicking them back on. So let's just go ahead and put this here so we don't forget. So if I bring it to here, I will have room that when it comes out, it can turn and go down this way. It's exciting when you do something new like this, because you just never know what you're gonna do. Like, I had no idea that I was going to try this today until I sat down at the computer and I went, man, that was a awesome idea. And it's not my idea. You know, it was sent to me to try. They said it worked. I said okay. And they said your production will go through the roof when you do it like this because there's no wait time. You have no wait time on the processing of the gold or whatever you're processing. This happens to be grass. Can I do a third one? I don't think I can. No, because I won't be able to get it back. Okay. It's cool. I don't have to have that much. It's gonna be a lot anyway. I'm just gonna bring it up to right there, and then we're going to bring it to right there. So this little guy here, we'll kick them back over. They get there. And let's set this thing, well, so how's everybody's day? I hope you're having a great one. I'm going to try to catch up now that I am back and not so chillaxed. Oh, okay, I see it. Okay, that's good. All right, so that's gonna feed. That's gonna go in there. Now I need fillers. So let's do this the right way this time, please. Fill, 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 fill. So your filler goes right in front of the dealio. And then your extractor side, which what I'm going to do this time to keep from forgetting like I did last time, is I'm actually going to spend the extra time to put in the filler color, which is green, because this is obviously green. We want to make it match. Turning that, and we're going to do green on every one of them. That was awesome, though. That like, I'm going to have to put mega carts on that thing, and I hope that those 4 bins will be sufficient. All right, now we want a sucker outer. So every time that they come out, we want it to come out, pull out. So every time it comes out of the machine, we're going to pull out the goods. Had to think about that one for a minute, guys. My brain just twisted. Like I was like, I don't think that's right. But it was. Okay, so we have all the outs, and we're going to make all the outs blue. I'll try not to forget. I didn't put one there, and I didn't put one there. What was I thinking? Well, and I didn't put one there. Jeez. And I didn't. Really? I'm out of it. Blue, blue, blue. Did I get it all? Green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue. Yeah, looks like I got them all. All right. I might let that thing sit there with one on it. It looks like I'm going to need about 6 to keep that full. It's not going to fill 6 up on that last one. How far can it go? That's it. I can't turn it back up that way either. So it is what it is. I probably won't get much off that last one, but if I do, I do. I do. And I want to make sure that the last one has enough to get out. And then over here, I have to put it in the corner. Actually, I can put it there. And I believe I should be able to come out on the second floor. You know, it has got my brain a tingling a little bit here. Not really kosher on what I'm doing. I've actually been thinking about something else, and it's kind of got my brain fried. So we're going to be able to go out there. I'm almost thinking that we're going to bring both these through. Maybe not. Maybe I should just turn it here, and that way it can fill the whole card up. And then this one I will put in there, and I'll turn it down that way. That makes sense, because doing it the other way, you guys know it will pick and choose the amount of stuff that it allows. So we have to put this one together, and then we have to, I think we went in 2 on that one, or 3, I don't know, maybe it's the third one. I'll know when I put my container in. It's the third one, I guarantee it. Here's the second. Well, oh, I did skip one, okay. And in the minecart track, we'll go over here. And then we'll run out that side. All right. We got to get this one processing first. So this needs to be blue. Now what we're going to do here, I believe, is we're going to go ahead and get this started. And all it's going to do is start producing the containers. It does 1 every 3 seconds. So we didn't have enough minecart track to empty the last one, so we need to go up underneath, give it a couple more sections. There we go. So it's just going to empty that stuff down. It's going to bounce back and do it all over again. So we're just going to let that go, and we're going to get started building that. Now that one's going to fill up, I'm sure. I don't think there's going to be enough raw material right now to keep it running at full throttle, so we'll let it do what it's going to do, and it'll fill that guy up. But let's go ahead and build this one. And I believe we put the pickup tube on this side. I could start a small cart track, about 3 of them, and I just think that will help curve the amount that's coming in. Let's finish off this cart track. There we go. And this one, it will probably start producing. Well, no, I'm gonna let that rest. So is that the way I did this one? Yeah. Okay. All right, and we need 2, correct? All right, cool. I'll get some empty boxes. 2, 2. Did I go all the way over? No, I had a return. Yeah, because I had the return lane, right? How many lane? Yeah, I went all the way over. Okay. This is a lot of building. I don't know. This may be too much. I may end up having to put in more stuff here. This is definitely a Mountain Dew game. And I've actually looked at, they've done a couple updates on Gold Rush. So you guys let me know if you want me to buy Gold Rush. And just send me your credit card number or your Steam account identification stuff, and I'll be happy to buy Gold Rush and put that on for you. Everybody's sitting there right now going, well, what did he say? My information. Did I mess up here? No, I didn't. Yeah, I mean, guys, it would just be so nice of you to send me your Steam information so that I can go ahead and just order Gold Rush. I believe that's probably the nicest way to do it. I mean, I know you guys support me, so you know that's part of the support, right, guys? Guys, where'd everybody go? No, that didn't work. All right, well, I don't have Patreon, so I can't do things that way. I have been told that I should get one. I just enjoy doing this, to be honest with you. If you guys think I should get a Patreon account, well, I guess let me know. I don't even know how to sign up for it yet. Guess I'll find out soon, huh? Is this the Audi? This is the Audi, okay. Have to think about it. You have to think about it. It'll become second nature eventually. But right now, I still have to think about it. Alright, now this one's red, so I believe we should make it gold. Has it got that tub full? It does. Oh no, it's still filling. So once these things start humming around. I just screwed the pooch on that one, didn't I, guys? Well, since I did it that way, I will make this gold. And then this one I'll have to make blue. So the intake on this one's going to be blue because I jacked up. So here's to blue. I can't make any kind of jokes about what's going on in the world. I get in trouble when I make those kind of jokes, so. But I just hope everybody is well and everybody is doing well. Gonna make. I have spent a little money here, but I believe once I get this started and then I ship it out and get the next phase started with combiners, that this is going to just be a mass producer. And look at there, it filled that one up because I didn't have it filled. Alright, so here we go. We're going to get the party rolling and we're going to let this guy do its thing. Is this one filled up yet? Oh yeah, okay. So we technically can shut that off and let that do its thing. Gonna need some mine carts on here, so let's go with 5. Remove 1 makes 5. And we're gonna put a door in over here. Look at that, that's fancy. And I think, guys, I'm going to, I don't know, maybe I should just leave it. This guy right now, he needs a couple more. I think he can handle 5 and empty 5, I'm sure. Absolutely, he could handle 6. That one probably has 6. That one has 6. Okay. So we're not even getting the production now. I'm going to have to research something in order to get this. So I'm going to make grain mill. I'm going to put a combiner station up here, and I'm going to make grain mill. And that's how we're going to pay. That's how we're going to get this thing to bring up its production. It's the only way. So I have to do it. All right. So I'm going to make a grain mill center. And that looks like enough. Let's put a couple doors in, one up here and one over here. And then we are going to do it all over again, only backwards. If you hadn't figured out what I just did, I set myself up to be able to do this right. Where's it at? You want it to be in line with that one, somewhere in there. Now this side, we'll just have to run it out. It's going to be a little different. And then we just need a level 2. And it looks like, is it connected? Nope. That one's connected now. And that one is not connected now. Whoops. Alright, so now I'm going to have 5 train cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Running back and forth. Filling up. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to get a combiner started. I don't think we're going to need big ones here, but maybe we do. Okay. And we're just going to let them pull up there. And then we're going to come in here and just start combining. As soon as that one, I'm going to let it fill up. It has enough to fill up. And then I just want to combine enough that we can research it. So it's not going to be a big deal, because I'm not looking to sell it. I'm just looking to research it so that I can get that unlocked, because we only have 27. I could make a big, huge research facility out here. See if it'll let me. No, I have to go. First I have to go and delete those. So let's let that fill up. It's working. It's working double overtime. This guy's full, which is fine. Everything's working as planned. And now I have to go find out where my research labs are, empty them out, and convert that over. Alright, so I'm going to do that. Just so everybody knows, I decided to make this one extra long so that you could enjoy a little more here, but I think I'm going to empty these out, and then I'm going to delete them, and I'm going to cut it and come back tomorrow, because it's really not, you guys are going to be like, you took up enough of our time. Alright, so we're just going to let that run now. It's just going to produce more oil, which is going to get more oil to the train. And we're going to come down here. We are going to get water on our facilities. This grain mill doesn't weigh anything, really, per se. So I don't believe that it needs to be... Okay, we're at 44 of 80, so let's go ahead and tap in. Just tap in here. And now that facility is up. Now we're at 54. Okay. How we doing? That one's full. This one's full? Yep. And that one's full. Cool. All right. Let's start combining. I'm just going to connect them to that thing, I think. We'll make it blue. We'll make this green. And we're going to make that like that. Okay. So let's get a couple combiners out. It's going to spit it out that way, so we'll do one there, one there. It's going to spit it in that way. We'll do one there and one there and one there. I don't really think that, I think we're going to max out. I think we're going to take away from the combiners. So let's find some tubes. I'm going to connect that there, that there, that there, that there, there, there. Can't put two here. I knew there was something I was doing. Silly me. Should be able to do two here. Okay. So this one needs gold. This one needs gold. That one needs gold. And that one needs gold. Okay, everybody's got gold. Now this one needs green. This one needs green. That one needs green. And that one needs green. Now this one needs blue. And this one needs blue. And the rest of them are hooked up. Alright. Now we need a downspout. That's an upspout. I need a downspout. Downspout. Now I need to lay out a cart track. Dang it, I just can't get off of here, guys. I'm sorry. Just gonna run this over here. I don't know. Let's see. We can probably run it all the way back up to right there. I should be able to get two in there. Let's see. Gotta put one in the corner, we know that. Alright, we gotta put one in the corner here. And then we can do there, 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 there. Can I get another one? 8, that's gonna be rocking it if we can get 8 in there. Sweet. Alright, because we can always put more on this side over here if we need to. So now we need power poles, because there's no power here, and there is power over here. So I need to connect this whole grid. Okay, there's power. Did it not connect? Did I shut down the grid? I shut down the grid. Sonny guns. Power pole. I just shut it down again. Sonny guns. So it takes 2 to run that. Alright. Everything's up and running. We just have to interconnect it. Okay. Now that that's already full, let's research. Now, the money on shipping this stuff out is going to be great. The problem is, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I believe I can get 8 in there. I could turn it and get 10, I guess. Just keep adding until it gets to the end of the line. That looks like it. Bam. Okay, so we got 11. That should fill them up pretty fast and keep them full. Now what I will do, because I know this first train is leaving, I'm going to put one here. And he's going to be on, he's going to skip every 2. So we'll get a little bit in there. But he's going to keep the research going. I don't think I can get another one here. But maybe, oh, yeah, I guess I can. And he can skip 2 as well. So the next time the train comes, we'll have that'll be money more than anything. Looks like I'm going down. No, I made $1 million. I just been spending a lot. We are at 47. I don't think we're going to make 50 this run because I'm really not shipping too much out. But the combiners are doing a great job because they're keeping it full. So that's awesome. And we're just going to let that go. These guys will do what they need to do here if needed. You know, they're pulling a half out there, pulling a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there. Okay, and then they'll come on over here and this guy will get some. Alright, we're going to let that just make. Alright, because I got to do that research to get this unlocked. I need to unlock 300. We've done the 18,000. And then this one, I have to do some gold fuel still. Is there gold fuel right here? Is this gold fuel? No, that's just gold. What if I could just make a little refinery right here and make 2 things just to... Oh, what do I have to make gold fuel though? There's gold fuel right here. I could put some in a cart. It's just spinning around in circles. It's not really going anywhere. I can't do anything there. I'd have to go up. Which might not be a bad idea. It's going to be kind of hokey dokey. Probably going to be a little confusing to everybody. But sometimes you have to modify what you got going on to make it work. So I can go all the way in there and then I can come in. I'm going to make this thing really mad at me here in a minute. And then I can bring it back down to low. That's cool. Leave the crack in it until he comes back, or actually just turn him around and bring him back. 'Cause he's plenty. He's got plenty going on there. Alright. Let's put an expansion tube and a holder. Somehow I gotta get that out of there. If I keep this up, can I bring it forward? Says I can. Alright, now we have a downspout here, and we're going to delete, 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 delete. You know, there's sometimes when I'm amazed myself at some of this stuff. Alright, minecart. Okay. This one. Bring it in right there. Give me a number 2. There. And give me a number 1. Right there. Now this one, I'm just gonna have enough. Shoot. And then there was Confucius. Oh, I have to come over one more. I will figure it out again. Alright. Now I can bring that down here and put one researcher in, and that'll be fine. We don't need much of anything else. So I just need to be able to bring it down here and have one research bay close to these guys that's just going to have research bay. That's just going to have gold fuel coming to it. And since I just put in extra power, I'll be fine. Alright. This one needs to do that. Do that. This one needs to do that. Doo-doo. It's not going to take much. It just needs enough to paddle around and make it. So I'm just going to flip it around. It's going to go through there. It's going to fill up some gold. Like I said, it don't need to be much, and I don't need but one. So I'm just going to put that there. These guys are starting to do their thing. That's what they needed to do. This guy is amazing. These guys are full. It's sad. It's really sad. Because these are currently full. That thing is still filling up with gold. This guy has oil. Okay, and he's coming in already, so let's see what happens here. Oh, I cut off that one. Cut off these two. Yep, they only have 2 in them. 2 and 8. That guy has a backup plan. And now they're just coming over here to fill this guy so that they help him hop off. I remember now. Okay. And then I had a backup gold over here that's nothing. It won't. If it ever empties, we'll be lucky. So that one fills up. Alright. These guys are doing their thing. So honestly, guys, I believe that this is probably the longest video that I've done. I'm very happy so far with it. I'm happy with you guys. You've been just amazing. Your support and your updates and everything has just been absolutely amazing. I did invest this week. I ordered. It hasn't come in yet. But I had a few dollars, so I ordered a USB microphone like I said I would. So hopefully I can get this thing off my head and my sound is better. I hope. That's the plan. We got a lot going on here. Things are shifting, shifting, shifting. It looks like everything that I'm making right now is coming over here and going on the train. That's the way it works. Got to keep this train rolling, you know? Looks like they're going to fill up though. And when they fill up, then there'll be no more on the train until the next run. So there it is. Trucks aren't quite getting the output because the train is taking it. But this guy should stop there and he'll be ready for the next one, but he's not going to come back full this time. So there we go. Here we go. Looks like these guys have enough of the other stuff though that's really productive. I mean, I do need to ship out ethanol at some point. That's probably worth quite a bit. The grain mill's not really worth a whole lot, but it price was up, but it looks like it's going down the more that I make. This guy is already topping off here, and then he will top off when he gets down here, so might be shy there. I have to look at something real fast. Not sure what's going on here, so y'all gotta give me just a minute. There it is. Perfect. All right, so looks like we can go ahead and start pulling off some of this so that we are ready to go. That guy is short because he started late. That's okay. And this one we need 100. Okay, so we're about halfway there. When those are green again, we will be able to move on and pick up the production out here on the line. Nothing else we can really do. This one's all the way in the corner, so we can't really add anything. We kind of stuck that out there, and that's that. So swig of Mountain Dew and keeping it going. All right, good stuff. Keeps me going. All right, so it looks like we're going to send out a little bit of this stuff on the train. You know, I like that. I like it that it fills up 2 cars because that kind of offsets this beginning here because we're not getting any oil here yet, and we do have one ready, but other than that, there's no oil ready. So we are bringing in oil to fill, and we should be producing enough oil over there because I'm not using it for research anymore. So we should have enough oil. Now he's going to go down and just take on the gold. Just not able to maintain that oil. I don't need this sitting there looking dumb. I mean, it has filled up with oil. We're 80. We're at 80 of 120. This little guy here, he's having just a ball, bringing it down here to this guy. So we'll get that research done that we have to do there. We need 100 or so. But that's okay. You know, he'll do his 60 or whatever it is, and we'll do it again. I mean, I could put in an extra one, but why? Really? We need to keep that gold down here. I'm really happy though. I mean, this guy's going out full steel every time, which is just remarkable. So it's keeping our income up. You know, I mean, that's That's 600,000 roughly. You know, a little over a half a million in a month. That's pretty good revenue. We will probably break even this month. Just depends on if we can get this guy out again with oil. Cause see, we just emptied that oil down. It's like it can't keep up with 2 cars bringing over 24. It can't keep up. But it is going to fill these up, and hopefully it'll get this last cart full some more. But it's feeding 2 trains. I mean, that's a lot of feed. So um, looks like we're getting on into this next cart there. Nope, we're not gonna do it. Now we might do it if he gets to that one. Wow, he's actually doing pretty good, and this guy's back in dumping oil again. Both of them are dumping oil. They need to be offset. I should stop them and get them offset, but um, yeah, let's just stop this guy right now. Just turn him off, and we're gonna let the other one go, because if they're both coming at the same time, they're going to, whoops, they're gonna overfill, and somebody's gonna leave with oil on board, and we don't want that. So let's give him just a minute to get out of here, because we want it to produce the oil over there as well. So, you know, that, and also right now, if you look at it, see, he was partially empty. So he's over there now filling with oil, roughly. Now we're going to send this guy back over there. This guy here has 2 full ones on this end, which is awesome. Because all the stuff he's getting now is just going to simply go to what's filling on there. So, well, guys, we are just ripping through here. We're holding that 47,745, and I'm really not liking that, but it's only because I'm doing research. If I wasn't doing research with this, we could step up the amount that's going out. But I think we should leave it. I do want to see if this guy leaves with any empty containers, because I believe we're maintaining. We're not getting ahead, but we are maintaining. And that gold's going out. So just want to see here. You know, we did go in the red this past month, 600,000. So what we made in the previous month kind of cut, but right now we're holding out about 100K, and it looks like that train fully went out loaded. That is awesome. That is just great. So Holy Monkey Toledo's, you know, he went out, now he's cooking up millions. Hopefully this guy can get out before the end of the month, and that will just be astronomical. We will be just cooking with little baby Criscoettes. So this guy's full, so we got to figure out something to do with him. I really didn't want to put a downspout on here, but oh, I can't. I would have to put in one of these. That is just enough room. Let's see. It may not let me put this in though. Will it let me put it the other way? That's pretty cool. Let's see. Huh. Now it won't let me put it in either way. That's kind of funny. But I can delete that. He's full. He's not even getting anything over here. So if I have anything over here for him, no, he's good. He's gone. He's gone. He's golden. So the only thing I could do, like we did over there, is I could put one of those in a tub in, but no, I can't even put a tub in. I don't know how I got it in there. Maybe I'll laid the track afterward. I don't know. So I can put in the transfer tube, but I don't think it's going to allow me to fill it. So let me just see. Let me see if it takes it. It's doing every 2. I should change that, because technically those need to just stay full. So guy, that guy. Yeah, because see, now he's going in and it's literally, so, I mean, no, I can't. I was going to say, I could probably blow a hole in there and bring it through that way, but I can't. So there we go. He filled up, gave it one more. But I think they were pretty full here. There's no oil on the line. One oil. That's it. So I stopped him, and now he's caught up with him again. What is going on there? But we have plenty of gold on line 1, so I don't really think that we need to ship that out. I was just doing it to a little money, but let's see if it shifts it over. If it does, I'll put it on all 3 lines, but I don't think it's going to shift it over. He's blasting through there, but he's got gold. He's got gold. So that whole front line's done. They're turning green, but I'm going to let them go for a few minutes to collect it. Let him fill that up. See if he kicks it over. Nope, he's not going to kick it through the tube, so we can't do that. So that's out the door. Can't win them all, can we? Oh, man. Much more research do I have to do? Gold fuel. And this guy. Idiot. Yeah, so I still got a lot of research to do on this one. Just keep running it in, running it out. It'll be fine. All right, yeah. So, guys, hit me up. Let me know on the if you want me to hit up Gold Rush and give that a shot. Might do that, or if there's another game that you guys want to see, or if you just want to see more of this, maybe you want to see a different planet, something like that. I just wanted to try to get it boosted up to the 100 mark. But it's going to take rockets. I could put in a rocket here, I guess, and ship some of this off since we have excess of it. But I would have to change this around a little bit, which wouldn't be that hard to do because he's already coming this way. So maybe I should just put in 1 rocket. Okay. Actually, he don't even need to go the other way. I could just have not even made it a circle. Could have just let him go back and forth on 1 line because he doesn't really need it. But here's what I'm going to try. I'm just going to put in 1 here. I'm going to put in 1 here. And I'm going to put in 1 here. Then I have to put in a crater. And then I have to put in a unload station. And then I have to put in a load station. And we're not quite ready for rockets yet. I got the horse before the cart there on that one. Oh, that's the cart before the horse. Let's see. Yeah, because we still have to do ethanol. What was I thinking? And I got to mix grass, and I don't feel like that. Um, so that being said, I guess we're just gonna leave it with that. Um, guys, thanks so much for joining. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I do appreciate it. I'm watching this train. It's a beautiful sight to see that train come down. It's such a beautiful sight looking at all the things work in the factory. Um, I just I don't know what else to say. You guys are just awesome, and I appreciate it. Sorry about the sound going out the last time. Hopefully this one will stay together, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you, and have a blessed day.